Imagine you're a Viking and you wake up, will raid a village, or sail to another country, come back rich. That was basically the Viking economy. Now, you probably think Vikings were just raiders. Not exactly wrong, but that's only 1/5 of the story. They had other ways of making money. First option, raiding, fast and brutal. Sail to a coastal village, take everything you can, and leave. Churches in England were their favorite targets, packed with gold and silver. And no walls, no armies. Easy money. Next option, trade. Here's the part that'll surprise you. Viking ships worked on both open oceans and rivers. Nobody else could do that. They sailed south through Russia's rivers and reached Constantinople, modern-day Istanbul. They carried wolf, bear, and deer furs, honey, and slaves. They came back with gold, fine fabrics, and spices. You could say they built the foundation of Amazon back in the 700s. Last option, tribute, their personal favorite. Walk into a weak settlement and say, "Pay us," or "We destroy you." Anyone who couldn't fight back paid up. The English called it Danegeld. Basically, the crown taxed its own people just to pay the Vikings off. Imagine an entire country paying you taxes. A few things to learn from the Vikings. Move fast, show strength, and try every angle. These people traveled the world 1,000 years ago. Today, we call them entrepreneurs. And if you made it this far, hit that like button and subscribe.